In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Cash Out Failed. So if your Venmo Cash Out has failed, what we can do instead is we can head over and see if we can fix this. So we have in here this user that has the same problem. So the Venmo card was declined at an ATM, and if they don't know if they took too much out or if they're at the limit or if their Venmo is frozen, that's why their cash out or withdrawal has failed. So in order to actually fix this, what we can do is you can head over and open the Venmo app and sign in. Tap on the Me tab and then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in there, you can click on Limits to check your daily and weekly withdrawal limits and see if you have actually exceeded your limit already. If that's it, that may be the reason why you're having failed cash out transaction. So go back and tap on payment methods, then tap your Venmo card to see if it shows any fees or restriction alerts. And if it's not, you can head over and then try to cash out again. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.